Deodorizing is used in most cases for pet accidents. In this case, there's been multiple pet accidents on this rug. Our deodorizing works really well because the first step that we do is we actually have water that moves through the rug and it flushes all the urine out. And so that's able to get all the urine out before we actually put the deodorizing product on there. When we apply the deodorizing, it goes in and actually attacks all the odor molecules and is able to really get all the odor out of the rug. Once it's sat for a while, then we flush it all out and we're able to get great results. Our goal is not to have any odor in the rug. Most of our competitors in different other companies, the way that they actually do it is they apply a deodorizing on the rug and then they just suck it out. The problem is all the urine is still left in the rug.